friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one, I'm going to talk about the latest software updates, size and features in the Realme GT Mastered Edition. Yes friends, starting from today, few of the users they actually started to receive this update, which is November security patch update, and the first batch users they did receive this update I think couple of days back, and this might be the second batch or maybe the last batch of users who will be receiving this update, which is A.08 update, as you can see clearly. And the update size is about close to 288 MB update size, as you can see friends. So which is a November security patch update, and today's date is about close to 6th December, as you can see. So this is when I did receive the update today morning only in the Realme GT Master Edition. And let me know in the comments below, in case if you did not receive the update, let me know in the comments. I just want to see how many users did not receive still this update in their devices. And this update includes the November security patch update. And there are a couple of things which are related to the network issue got fixed. Fixes an issue where the Wi-Fi might sometimes disconnect when you're using the Wi-Fi 6 routers. So right now I don't have any kind of Wi-Fi 6 router, so that's another thing, no problem for me. And fixes a battery usage issue that might occur when the screen is off. So maybe ideal battery drain got fixed, I think, because they did mention that when the screen is off, right? So that might be another thing. And fixes an issue where the fingerprint icon would sometimes not disappear when the screen is off. So maybe when the screen is off, so we'll be seeing this kind of fingerprint icon, right? Sometimes it may not be disappearing, it kind of staying continuously like that. So that might be another thing what got fixed, this kind of new update as well. And apart from that, there's a couple of other things which are fix an issue where you might not receive a reminder of system is updated, okay? And improve the game stability, fixes the game's shattering caused by abnormal refresh rate. So there's something related to the refresh rate. So maybe high refresh rate games are supported or not. I need to do the demonstration. So very soon I'll try to download and I'll try to test this Realme GT Master Edition friends in this device, whether the phone supports high refresh rate games or not, because it did mention, right? And finally, camera fixes an issue where the viewfinder might get distorted when you open the front cam using the WhatsApp. Sometimes front cam will be causing an error, but right now it's kind of okay, I would say. So that's it friends, this is a quick details about the Realme GT Master Edition complete update size and features. So once I download and install, after using for a couple of days, then I'll try to come back with complete full review on this Realme GT Master Edition. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.